Hello YouTube. So today we're going to try and get to the bottom of why the Mavic Mini is experiencing some serious jello and shaking effect, which progressively gets worse as you record. I've got some theories right now. So right now, every flight that I've made with my Mavic Mini, I've taken a warm drone from inside my house, taken it outside, and immediately flown it. First flight was probably about -7 or 8 degrees. Second flight was maybe closer to -2 or -3 degrees. But as you can see in the videos, when it's up in the sky, the jello effect progressively gets worse. Now when I take the same drone and fly it inside my house for the same length of time, while the drone is warm and there's no difference in temperature, there is no jello or shake. My good buddy Sean, he also picked up a Mavic Mini. He's flown his drone a couple times and he's outside, he's experienced no jello shake. Now the difference is his drone was being stored in his car, so it was already acclimatized. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put the drone outside for 10 to 15 minutes, let it acclimatize to the colder weather, take a temperature reading, and then put it up in the air and see what happens. Okay, so it's about -4 degrees outside. I've had the drone sitting out here for a few minutes, so it's started to acclimatize. It's down to about 4 degrees, so we'll let it get a little bit colder, and then I'll put a warm battery in it, take it off, and see if we get the same problems. Okay, so I've had the drone out here for about 15 minutes now. We're going to check the temperature. It is... thing on. The drone is now down to about -4 degrees, which is basically the ambient temperature outside, so it has acclimatized. I am going to be using a warm battery that I just took from the outside, and let's see if it makes any difference here. Watch out, Hayden. I'm going to take it off. Stand back. Okay, so I just landed the Mavic Mini, and interesting enough, it looks like the temperature has stayed between 3 and 4 degrees. Okay, so as you just saw, the video was perfect. No jello, no shaking, yeah, great cinematic photography. So if you are flying a Mavic Mini in the winter, you need to make sure that you acclimatize the Mavic Mini to the temperature before you take off. It doesn't matter if it's -4, -10, whatever, just take the drone without the battery, sit it outside for 10 to 15 minutes, let it get down the temperature, then put your warm battery into the drone and take it for a flight, and you should have great results just like me. So I hope this test helped. It certainly you know, gave me a lot of concern yesterday, but I'm super stoked that it worked, and I'm going to be enjoying this drone all winter long out here in Canada. So if you liked what I provided for you today, please subscribe, and yeah, we'll be seeing you later on some additional videos.